Here's how to write a blog post in Wix.com. Go to My Sites and hover your cursor to your site, then click Select and Edit Site. You'll be directed to your dashboard. Hit Blog, then choose Prose. Click Create New Post on top right corner to start writing one. Once you're done writing your blog, go to the top right corner and click Publish or just Save. We'll check it on the editor's page if it's successfully saved. And that is how you write a blog post in Wix.com.